Welcome to the shop. Welcome to the wood shop, as it were. Look at us. We're actually doing something with the wood. Amazing. Okay, for those that have been following along, I had said that during the 16 months our shop was down, I had a whole bunch of custom orders waiting to be done. First one I'm gonna tackle. Don't think it'll take all that long. I basically drafted my cutouts. I gotta cut the blanks, then I gotta trim the blanks with a pattern template, do a minor glue up, drill a pilot hole. I need to make, geez, I don't know how many I need to make. Hold on a second, how many I gotta make of these? 30. I have to make 30 of them. Told the customer I would have them done by September. It's August 1st. So, I'm not gonna show you what we're making until it's all done. And you can see a side by side. For me, that's probably a couple of days. For you, it's probably about 4 minutes. Let's get to it. All right, what I got here is a whole lot of basswood ply. I have 8 sheets of quarter, 10 sheets of 8, and I think 26 sheets of 3/16, something like that. For this project, I do not need the quarter. One-eighth, it's 1 piece. Blanks are 2 5/16 by 4 3/16. And I'm gonna have scrap. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I get 10 per sheet. This is my 1/8 sheet. The other piece is 1 1/16. I need 2 per. 1, 2. And the same thing, 3 sheets. Gonna do all the rest on the table saw for now. I'd be lying if I didn't say I wasn't nervous about firing up this table saw again, and I'm really tempted to use it on bypass. But if I'm going to use it on bypass, cutting 1/16, 1 1/16 inch sheets, what's the point of the safety mechanism? You can't skip it. But if this thing blows, I'm going to be heartbroken. Hey, my wife texted me. Let's see what she says. She says, yay. We're going out for ice cream tonight. Fire in the hole. Okay, I'm blinking. I'm cycling. I'm resetting. And it says it's good. I guess we'll give it a shot. First cut, 1 1/16. Guess what I don't have? I think I threw them out when I moved. Push sticks. I got a push stick. I ain't cutting a 1-inch strip without a push stick. Shoot. I gotta make a push stick out of something. I'll be right back. All right, back in action. All right, that worked pretty good. What was really important is that I'm not getting tear out on that seam. Brand new blade doesn't hurt. Nice clean cut, minimal sanding. So I'm gonna start mass producing. Next step, attach my patterns to my stock, run it through the router table, trim it up, drill a pilot hole, glue it together. You guys figure out what I'm making yet? Here's the hints. Basswood ply, very small, pattern routing. Some of you should be able to figure it out. In the meantime, I'm gonna go get Jax and go out for some ice cream. All right, ice cream has been had. You might see that clip at the end of this video. I'm gonna take my blanks over to the router table. I'm gonna set it up. Use my pattern cutting bit to cut a pattern in the wood. I need to make 30 of them. I think I might be able to stack 6 at a time. We're gonna go see that right now. I didn't like that. My template practice round was on 2 blanks. Went through pretty easy. So I have to rethink this. I have to come up with either a jig to hold it, or perhaps just go down to 1 piece, but I've got to make 60 of these. I don't know. But if you didn't like the looks of that, I didn't like the looks of that. I'll come back to it. All right, last chance to guess. What do you think they are? Let me help. How about now? Not quite sure? For those that got it right, good job. For those that aren't sure, here's a hint. Christmas ornaments. I have a friend who has been painting Christmas ornaments with years and birth dates and other sort of things for a very long time. I mean, this one, the sample she gave me is from 1988, and she can't get them anymore. So she asked if I could make her some. So I'm going to make her 30 of these, and she will be the one that will paint them. So that is that, also known as that. All right, I'm gonna glue these up, put this video out, and then do another 28 of them. Maybe next week or week after, when I'm done with these, I'll throw a picture of all of them together. All right, let's get to it. All right, half hour to set, take the tape off, flip them over, 24 hours to cure. Have a good night. Dog ever. Happy summer, Jax. Oh my God. Oh, so long.